How to replace the front RGB fan. Note: only certain models in this platform series support the configuration of the following components: glass side panel, liquid cooling system, lighting control module, LED lighting bar, glass front bezel, front RGB fan, front lighting module. Before you begin, remove the access panel and front bezel. Removal. Disconnect the 10-pin LED lighting cable from its connector on the lighting control module. Disconnect the front RGB fan power cable from its connector on the motherboard. And unhook the cable from its clip on the HDD cage. Remove the 4 P1 Phillips head screws that secure the front RGB fan to the front of the chassis. Remove the fan by threading the 10-pin LED lighting cable and front RGB fan power cable through the hole on the bottom of the chassis. As you complete the replacement of a part for the desktop, you should ensure that all of the cables are correctly routed. The interior of the system should never look like this after a service event. As you route any cables that you've connected back into position, be sure to use the clips, hooks, and tape that are provided on the chassis for this purpose. This prevents the possibility of cables snagging or sagging when the desktop is moved. It also helps ensure clear sight and access to the components, should any further troubleshooting or servicing be needed. Replacement. Thread the 10-pin LED lighting cable and front RGB fan power cable through the hole on the bottom of the chassis. Insert the 4 P1 Phillips head screws into the front RGB fan and position the fan on the front chassis. Replace the 4 P1 Phillips head screws that secure the front RGB fan to the front chassis. Reconnect the 10-pin LED lighting cable to its connector on the lighting control module. Reconnect the front RGB fan power cable to its connector on the motherboard and secure the cable behind the clip on the HDD cage.